So step number 3, and remember again, I have to deliver to you content and an idea, to introduce you to an idea how to 10x your sales, right? Okay, so we got what? We got, on last video, we got keywords, we got our nice title, professionally built title. Step number 3, the next is as usually, we have to do our description. Okay, you see my title is over here. This is actually a screenshot from my actual product. It's not out there anymore because I hope you understand that I am not the foolest person in the world who would keep my product still there and introducing all world with the idea, hey, here it is, look what I'm doing, do the same. Okay, so I just took it down, the product, so it's not there anymore. I sacrificed for the sake of this training. But this is what I did. I came up with this one here, and now I want you to pay attention how my title reads. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, description reads. Okay, look here, leveling Caesar jack drill socket. This is what? This is my main keywords here. Okay, those are the main keywords here. Is for every camper who would love to reduce time and effort to raise and lower Caesar jacks quickly. Guys, do one thing, do one favor for me, okay? When you make your descriptions, do not copy paste them, okay? Number 1. Number 2, try to connect your keywords in the description as much as possible. That's what I'm doing here. You see, leveling Caesar jack drill socket, booms, it's right there. Okay, to raise and lower Caesar jacks. Okay, raise and lower Caesar jacks. Okay, this is raising, lowering Caesar jack. It's all kind of like in one sentence here. I got a lot of keywords already. Huge problem with airway campers. Okay, airway camper. Breaker bars and stuff like this. I made this text out of the comments, out of the positive comments. I put them together. I'm not copywriting myself. I just put them together. Well, I use some tool, paid tool, but this is not for you. You don't have to use them. I don't have to even introduce because it's crazy expensive. You don't have to do this. I'm using this because I have another business, which is like when I'm helping my private clients to double their income with the business. So this is just another story. That's why I'm using this a little bit. But you can use completely without that tool as well. Okay? Just connect your keywords here. You see again, camper. Here, Camco camper tool. Camco camper tool. All right? You can go every sentence almost, but make sense. When you do this, make some sense. Okay? So many aerial trailer campers, okay? You see how it goes. Camco aerial levering Caesar jack, okay? Socket, aerial trailer camper. It's kind of like when you read the text, it goes like a story. It's totally, absolutely different from this one here, okay? Absolutely different from this one here. Here is description, goes only one sentence, and it's totally different from here. Mine is totally different story. Why this is so important? I said this earlier, but I will repeat again because this is on eBay's eyes, on eBay's algorithm eyes. You are listing unique product. This product never have been there on eBay before. All right, even if you are selling the same product. Your description, your title, your keywords are absolutely qualified for the unique product, which means if you start selling this, eBay will gonna promote your product as crazy because your product is original. It's not copy-paste product, it's original. It's authentic, you are outstanding in any aspect. That's what actually we are doing. That's why we're making our titles totally different than other people, like our descriptions totally different. And the next step is to make item specifics. This is the powerful tool, guys. Here is all my This is all my keywords right here. And look here, the brand Camco, all right. Part type, leveling Caesar jack drill socket. What's that? Leveling Caesar jack drill socket, right? My keywords goes here, all right? So when you push this button here, add your own item specifics. That's where you're adding your keywords, all right? Not without, don't do this like all of them. You don't have to do all of them, not all 12 of them, but just make some sense, okay? What would be making some sense for your buyer? And this is how you force or how you twist eBay's hand to show your listing more, okay? Camco jack, leveling tool for camper, all right? RV trailer, Camco camper tool, all right? So manufacturer part number is in the place. Warranty, I always put yes. I always put yes, okay? And here again, drill socket, rising, lowering elbow camper, okay? It's all from here. My keywords are in item specifics, all right? This is important aspect. So let's do some quick recap here, which means what we did here just. Description, full with the keywords. And item specifics, fully loaded with the keywords. That's what makes us completely different seller on the eBay platform. All right? I hope you get that. This is how to do this, you know. Alpha course again is over there. All right? And let me show you on the next video, next step. All right? See you soon again.